How exactly do you use Pinterest for business? Watch this video to learn how you can leverage this powerful and completely underutilized platform to drive hyper-targeted leads directly to your business. If you're paralyzed on how to make Pinterest work for your business, you're in the right place. I'm Kate Murray, and after spending 14 years in corporate and agency marketing and implementing digital marketing techniques for businesses both large and small, I have never seen the kind of growth that I've seen using Pinterest. So the first thing you need to know as a business owner is the difference between Pinterest account management and Pinterest marketing strategy.
In the marketing and advertising industry, there's a famous saying, creative without strategy is called art. Creative with strategy is called advertising. To help reduce the complexity, a Pinterest account manager is someone who can follow directions to a T, but they're typically a younger or lower level employee who doesn't have enough industry or business knowledge to be able to connect the dots back to revenue. A strategist, on the other hand, likely has many years of experience in business and has a high level of understanding of the broad scope of a variety of different industry verticals. The strategist can plan for and outline the steps that any given client needs to move them closer to their goal, which of course is generating leads and revenue. In other words, the account manager is the person who can execute on the strategist's plan. But if you only have an account manager without a strategy, you just won't get the results you're expecting.
You can hire a virtual assistant to manage your Pinterest account, but if that virtual assistant isn't versed in Pinterest marketing strategy, you're just spinning your wheels. So many clients come to me and they say, but Kate, I already hired somebody to manage my Pinterest account. And then I take a quick look at their Pinterest account and I can see immediately what the problem is. So do yourself a favor and start with a Pinterest audit from a qualified Pinterest strategist. A proper Pinterest account audit is kind of like an action plan. It'll give your business a blueprint of exactly what you can execute on to help your Pinterest account grow and ultimately grow your revenue.
What types of businesses can benefit from using Pinterest? Well, according to Pinterest CMO Andrea Mallard, the age of interruption is over. The next generation of ads need to inspire. Over 300 million people use Pinterest every single day, and of those 300 million, 8 out of 10 of them have purchased something that they saw on Pinterest. 80% of the users on Pinterest are female, and not only that, the majority are from the United States and they're educated, compared to other platforms like Instagram, where the majority of users are actually from outside the US. Here are the statistics to confirm that. 88% of Instagram users are from outside of the US. 71% of Instagram users are under the age of 35. And 72% of US teenagers use Instagram. In terms of marketing your business and choosing the right social media platform for your target customer, it's really important to look at these statistics.
If you're a small business owner or a digital marketer, you already know that it's not the number of leads, it's how qualified they are. Opt for a proven online lead generation system that drives qualified traffic directly to your product or service. Number 2, understand that Pinterest is a search engine. It's not a social media network. So in order to be successful on the platform, you or your Pinterest account manager needs to clearly understand how to do Pinterest SEO.
First and foremost, in order for Pinterest SEO to work properly, you've got to have your website optimized properly. When you write a blog post, you should include keywords and long-tail keyword phrases into the title and meta description of the Pinterest image that's attached to your blog post. There are 2 ways to accomplish this. One is by using the Tasty Pins plugin for WordPress, and the other is to add a description manually by using the data pin description tag inside the code editor. In addition to proper website SEO, you want to make sure that people are actually searching for what you think they're searching for. Sometimes we tend to think that people are searching for our product or service, but in reality, they're using a completely different phrase. So how do I know this?
I no longer use Facebook. I no longer use Instagram. I no longer do paid Google ads. I am solely focused on Pinterest marketing strategy.
I decided to focus on Pinterest because it's the platform I use to market my own digital business.
So again, you don't simply want to just hire any old VA, because if your VA doesn't have specific Pinterest marketing knowledge or specific guidance on what to do, it's not going to grow your business. Are you excited about learning how to use Pinterest to grow your revenues? If so, make sure you smash that like button and give me a hell yeah in the comments so that I know that you love videos like this about Pinterest marketing. Tip number 3, conversion optimization. If you're pinning without a defined strategy, you're just not going to be able to use Pinterest to grow your revenue. So what exactly does that mean? Each pin needs to lead to a blog post that logically converts into a content upgrade so that once that person is on your email list, they can become part of an automated nurturing sequence, which ultimately leads them to an offer. So if your content upgrade, your nurturing sequence, and your sales page aren't in place first, you're just wasting your time.
I mean, that's the whole point of having a strategy behind what you're posting on Pinterest.
Now that you've got a better idea of how to use Pinterest to grow your business, how are you going to get more traffic to your website so you can grow your audience and your revenue? Start with my Pinterest account audit. You'll get a unique review of your specific Pinterest account, as well as an action plan to help you uncover hidden opportunities to grow your website traffic and your revenue using Pinterest. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out when I upload a brand new video every Wednesday. Thanks for watching. See you next time.